When we found this property almost 6 years ago, we could only dream of making it our own.
Set the scene on a broken man, and kerosene and a little lamp, and just enough light to make out a figure.
We've moved every couple of years since we started our family of 7, so home for us has always been wherever we're together.
She got the lightning in the palm of her hand, and an hour for the sun. We can make it through the winter.
When we came across this land, it finally felt like the place to put down our roots.
And I can feel her breathing now. I got the ice in my veins, I would melt, but I don't know how.
I design homes for others for a living, but I really think about it as designing the backdrop for people's lives. Not a single one of us needs to live a normal life. Not a single one of us need be limited by the confines of society. Our homes set the rhythm of sleeping, waking, and all the in-between moments of life. This is my family's journey of finding that rhythm, of creating home.
And I'm inside my head and I think that it's time to get out.